Oreo red velvet cake. Alright, let's get into it. Start out with your butter, eggs, vanilla, white vinegar, red food coloring, sour cream for the moisture, buttermilk, sugar, sifted ingredients, dry ingredients, cream brew cake, additional flavoring, and of course your red velvet cookies. Make sure you incorporate pretty well. Get all the wet ingredients in there first before you start adding in your dry ingredients. Just makes for a better product. Get that red food coloring in there. Beautiful color. Look at that. Afterwards, fold in your cookies. Fold it, not beat it, and put in your cake dish. I decided to use a red rose. Boom. Try it out, family. Let me know what you think. Peace.